In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your TikTok app to the latest version. So by updating your TikTok app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with TikTok, and you'll also be able to fix any issues or any bugs associated with the older version of your TikTok app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, for you to be able to update your TikTok app, you'll need to go ahead and access your TikTok app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So if you're on Android, you go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store, and if you're on iPhone, go ahead and look for the app through App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store, and here's Play Store. I'll tap on it, and then from here, go ahead and search for your app. Now here's my TikTok app. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see there is an update that is available, meaning I've been using an outdated version of TikTok app. To update it and get the latest features and fix any issue with this app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of TikTok app and install it on my smartphone. Now once that is done, it will be installed, and now you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of TikTok app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.